today. You're going to need something to write with and something to write on. Press pause now, make sure you have your things, and then press play once you are ready. Great, let's begin. We're kicking off today with Theo Thinks. Theo is thinking of a number. He adds 7. He divides it by 3. The answer is 5. What was the number Theo was thinking of? Press pause now to have a go at this question, and then press play once you are ready to continue. Think about the methods you are going to need to use to arrive at your answer. Well done. I need to find the number Theo was originally thinking of. So therefore, I need to use the steps to do the inverse. I'm going to start with my answer, which was 5. Theo divided by 3, so I will multiply by 3, which gives me 15. Theo then added 7, so I will subtract 7. This will give me my final answer, which is 8. Moving on to Perry's perimeter. Remember, the perimeter is the distance around the edge of a 2D shape. You could have a go at working out the perimeter of this shape if you liked, using the squares. I would like you to work out the perimeter of this shape. The measurements have been given to you. Press pause now to have a go at working out the perimeter, and then press play once you are ready to continue. I know that the sides parallel to each other will be of the same measurement. This makes it easier for me to add them together. 28 centimeters add 28 centimeters gives me 56 centimeters. 15 centimeters add 15 centimeters gives me 30 centimeters. I need to add the totals of both calculations. 56 centimeters add 30 centimeters gives me a grand total of 86 centimeters. We're on to Ariana Grande now. Press pause now to have a go at working out the area of these shapes, and then press play once you are ready to continue. Remember, area is the term used to define the amount of space taken up by a 2D shape or surface. We measure area in square units, centimeters squared or meters squared. I would work out the area by looking at the length and the width. I can see that the length is 8 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. I need to multiply these two measurements together. 8 centimeters multiplied by 4 centimeters gives me 32 centimeters squared. I have worked out the value of each measurement by counting the squares going down and counting the squares going across, and then simply multiplying them together. For our second shape, I'm going to multiply the two together. 2 centimeters multiplied by 4 centimeters gives me 8 centimeters squared. It is really important that you remember to write your square units. We're moving on to something a little bit more complicated now. I would like you to work out the area of this compound shape. Press pause now to have a go, and then press play once you are ready to continue. I'm going to start off with shape A. I need to find the length of the arrow in order to be able to work out the area of shape A. I can see that the line 12 centimeters and the line 5 centimeters are parallel to each other. Therefore, I am going to subtract 5 centimeters from 12 centimeters to work out the length of the arrow. My answer will be 7 centimeters. I can use this to help me work out the area of shape A. I can now multiply the length and the width. 9 centimeters multiplied by 7 centimeters is going to give me 63 centimeters squared. Remember, your area needs to be written in square units. I can now move on to looking at shape B. I need to work out the measurement of the arrow. I'm going to use 9 centimeters and 3 centimeters in order to help me do this, as I can see that they are parallel to the side that I need to measure. 9 centimeters subtract 3 centimeters gives me 6 centimeters. Therefore, the measurement of the line is 6 centimeters. I can now work out the area of shape B. 5 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters gives me 30 centimeters. I need to add the area of both shapes. 63 centimeters squared, add 30 centimeters squared, gives me 93 centimeters squared. Moving on to know what Noah knows. Half, add 0.8, gives me, Press pause now to have a go and work out the answer, and then press play once you are ready to continue. Well done. I know that I need to use related facts. I know that half is equivalent to 0.5, so I could work out this calculation by doing 0.5 add 0.8, which gives me 1.3. Let's try another one. 3/4 add 11.4. Think about the related facts that you know. Press pause now to have a go, and then press play once you're ready to continue. Brilliant! 3/4 is equivalent to 0.75. Therefore, I could do 0.75 add 11.4, which gives me 12.15. Converting 3/4 to a decimal makes it easier for me to add all of the numbers together. Well done, Year 5, you absolutely smashed this session.